One of the things that hurts our planet is food waste. Approximately 40% of food we make never gets eaten. That's roughly 165 million kilos of food each day. While that's happening, there's still a lot of people that don't have sufficient food on their table. All that wasted food has a gigantic impact to climate. It really is a serious problem and no one wants wasting food, right? And the only solution is to reduce the amount of food that we are wasting. In this video, I'm gonna prove you that the leftovers can be transformed into a delicious dish. I call it extra flavor leftover. With this leftover fried chicken tacos recipe, you can turn an old meal in a brand new dish. I use corn tortillas, but you can also use lettuce leaves if you want to make it green. I am not here to teach you how to cook, but I am going to show you that anyone can cook. First off, we need garlic, onions, tomatoes, of course, leftover fried chicken, oranges if you have any, pineapple, achouette, sugar, cumin, cinnamon. You can also use taco mix, but for this I will skip that. Pound the garlic. In a container, put the juice of the pineapple. Squeeze orange. Mince the onion. Put roughly 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add more if you like a sweeter version. Half teaspoon of cinnamon. Teaspoon of cumin, achouette or 1 teaspoon of achouette powder, put garlic, then freshly ground pepper, 1 coriander seed and salt. Whisk all of them together. Chop up fried chicken into minced pieces. Don't include the bones. Add them to the mixture. Preheat the pan and set over medium-high heat. Put about 1 teaspoon of oil. Yep, it's 1 teaspoon because the fried chickens are already loaded with oil. Into a small pan and the mixture minced fried chicken. Lower the heat to medium and cook. Stirring occasionally until it begins to golden brown around 10 to 15 minutes. pineapple set aside. If you have a small spice garden, cut out some coriander leaves, spring onions, wash them. Cut spring onion into small pieces. Mince the coriander. Cut tomatoes. Onions. Mix them in a bowl to make a salsa. Sprinkle with freshly ground pepper. Combine all together. Oh wait, I have an idea. This salsa and pineapple are so good to be eaten with nachos. Yum! Cut lemons, calamansi, or lime are as good as an alternative too. Heat tortillas on the stove for about 6 seconds each side or until char is formed. Don't burn them. Divide the meat among tortillas and top with pineapple and salsa. And squeeze it with lemon. These tacos will definitely make an incredible Happy Taco Tuesday. Happy days! See you in the next videos, my dear viewers!